Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit your photos to look like a cyberpunk city. So this is a photo I took in Japan. Every photo here I took, so yeah, I'm just gonna claim that right now. Exposure plus 19, and then highlights plus 3, and then shadows minus 32. Sorry, the background's loud, like I can't control that. Like, how am I supposed to control the road? Whites plus 22, and then blacks minus 11. Oops. There we go. Then I'm going to go to the color section here, and I'm going to turn down the temp so it's like this blue hue color, like right about here, maybe minus 70. And then for tint, I'm going to do plus 51. Oh my gosh, it might be a little bit too blue. I might adjust the temp just a tad bit more. Vibrance plus 25. And then saturation minus 16. Oops. 25. I'm trying to like adjust it to my photos because obviously it will be kind of different. Okay. Now we're going to go back to light, go back to curves. And this is what we're gonna do for the white curve. We're going to move this down. We're going to add another one here. And then we're going to add another one over here. And then we're going to kind of move this up a little, like so. For the red one, we're just going to add one here, like that. And for the green one, I'm just going to add a dot here, and then add one here, and then add a dot here. And then for the blue one, did I say green or blue? Okay, yeah. For the blue one, add a dot here, and here, and here. Press done, and then we're going to go to the color grading section. For the third one, we're going to color it this pink color. Oops, pink, not red. Okay, place it down here, red. Okay, hue 306. Let's just do this, it's easier. And then saturation at 24. And then for this one, we are going to color the hue 220. In saturation 5. And then this one, we're going to color it 314 for the hue. And then saturation at an 8. And then for blending, we're going to do minus 43, well, just 43, and then balance 48. Like so. Press done. And then here's where it gets annoying. Hue minus 12, oops, for the red one. Hello. Saturation plus 16, luminance at 0, and then for the orange one, minus 14, plus 29, plus 29, plus 18, for the yellow, minus 9 and plus 4. For the green, 100, and then minus 35. For the cyan, it's plus 52 and minus 16. For the blue, it's minus 8 and plus 20. For the purple, it's minus 45 and minus 31. Like around that area. It doesn't have to be perfect. For the magenta, it's just 0. Next, we're going to go to the effects section here. For the texture, add plus 9. Clarity, minus 27. And then dehaze, minus 19. For the grain, plus 10. Size, 17. Roughness, 49. Then we're going to go to detail here, sharpening at 59. And then masking at 85. And that is it for this video. This is the before and this is the after. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!